Everybody doing? Welcome to this live streaming on when is it today? Today's Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday, April 30th. We're gonna close the month by giving you a sneak peek into the BLWFX tool. I decided to actually start this streaming just a little bit before time because there might be a signal coming within the next few minutes. And yeah, I wanted to have this signal sent to you. So how's everybody doing? Let me know in the live chat where you saying hi from, how you doing, how long you've been a fan of the BLW world, BLW community, oh, to death. I'm actually gonna also get the signals over here on my phone where I'm going to actually show you that you can get notifications on your phone as well. But right now, the application is not ready. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be trading live, okay? I'm going to give you the predictions, of course. Now, since this is a Forex tool, two things that you need to understand. This is going to be a long transmission, at least 3 hours. And two, that this is going to be probably just a couple of signals. I'm going to try to do scalping, and number three is that the SR is not really a big deal, so even if you enter a few pips before or after, you're good to go. Okay, so this is way easier than binary options. How much will the 5-minute strategy app cost? What 5-minute strategy? The binary, I'm gonna give you the price probably, I don't know, next week. Hello, Christian. How's everybody doing? South Africa, Trinidad, Morocco, Curacao, hola. Colombia, fan 4 months ago. Welcome, Andres, Sudan, Nigeria, Ghana, Romania, Guinea, 3 months ago. Awesome. India, South Africa, I've been fan since last year, November. Awesome, Chris. Thank you for your loyalty. South Africa, India, Somalia, Kidu since 2018. Awesome, man. How do I join the Facebook group? The link is in the description of this video and it's 100% free. Hi from Indonesia, from Somalia, South Africa. Awesome people. So how's everybody doing right now? In fact, I think there's gonna be a signal on USD JPY. You should have your stuff ready. Let me see. Awesome, man. How do I join the Facebook group? The link is in the description of this video and it's 100% free. Hi from Indonesia, from Somalia. Trying to do something here. Africa. Awesome. Oh shoot. Okay. I got it right. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'm gonna put my Instagram username somewhere here. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, right here is fine. You can follow me in there. In fact, I actually announced the this live streaming yesterday also on my Instagram account. So you can follow me there. You guys are invited. Wow, there's a lot of comments. We have the first hater. How you doing, hater? Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, Australia, Thailand, Jamaica, Turkey, Guyana, South Africa, the beginning of the year. Awesome. Philippines, South Africa. Pakistan says, love your trading style and please make new binary option strategy which work good. I think the 2-minute strategy is still working really good, but I'm going to try to find a different option. Cairo, Egypt. First time attending live, excited. Awesome. Welcome. Hong Kong, Kenya. Fan since 1 year ago, but I have joined any group yet. No worries, you don't need to. As long as you're part of this YouTube streaming, you're part of the team, you're part of the world. There's background noise. Is there a background noise? Let me see. I don't have any background noise. If someone can confirm if there is background noise, maybe I can check out. 5-minute delayed? I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry. Maldives. Can everybody say that if you guys have sound issues, we can check it out before I explain you what the application is all about. I don't have any background noise. If someone can confirm if there's background noise, maybe I can check it out. Well, I don't know. I don't hear any background. I'm sorry. I'm just trying, but I don't know what is it that. No, it's because you can hear my sound twice because I'm actually louding the speakers just a little bit so that I can give a test on the audio. But no. Well, I don't know. I don't hear that. Okay, maybe you can go ahead and refresh your page or something. No, it's because you can hear. Yeah, the stream is open in a different tab. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I know what happened. I'm sorry, but that's. Does everybody hear me well now? Yeah, I think I know what happened though. It should be fine now. I think I activated something by mistake or something. All right, just confirm that you guys can hear me well right now so that we can continue. And thank you for letting me know. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm sorry. I activated the desktop sound, and that's the reason. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain you, since there are no signals coming right now, I'm gonna explain you exactly how this application works so that you understand what I'm actually getting into. And I'm super excited, to be honest with you. This is my broker account. This is IC Markets. And I'm gonna show you the entire month, okay? This, the first part is not with the application. I was just testing a few strategies to see if it worked. But if we go until the last few days, this is what we are going to find. Yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, when was it yesterday? 28th. There you go. We have 3 trades. I was able to win the 3 of them. Then the day before, on the 27th, I placed a total of 4 trades. I won 3 of them and I was in profits. I made some mistakes during a few days earlier. On the 24th, I was able to win 1 and lost 1. And on the 23rd, let me see, the 23rd, this is when I made the mistake. I actually over traded, to be honest with you, and I lost this amount of money. But then the other trades were actually doing good, 3 wins. And so on. Lately, the strategy, I mean, without really putting that much of an effort, has been doing really good. I've been using it as scalping trading. We have the second hater. Say hi to the hater. Probably is the person that says that we are stealing money in the BLW signals group, whatever. But lately, I've been trying to test this strategy on scalping trading, and it's been working really good. In fact, yesterday, the trades that I placed yesterday, let me see, it wasn't yesterday. No, I think it wasn't yesterday. Let me see, because it was the day before on the 28th. There you go. If you notice, the 3 trades that I placed last Tuesday, this is what I have. I opened up at 13:01 GMT, and I closed all of my, and the last trade I placed was at 14:04 GMT. So they didn't really take that much of a time, and we were able to make some cool profit. We're looking at 4.9 pips, 21 pips, 14 pips. It's a scalping trading, not bad. I mean, it's pretty damn easy to use. And the reason why I'm actually using it this way is because I want to show you the easiest way to actually make money with this application than a little bit harder, which is day trading, right? We're talking about 1 hour candlesticks, 30-minute candlesticks, and so on. So yeah, I'm going to show you how the application actually works right now. I'm going to switch my audio so that I can hear the notifications of the signals. And yeah, hola hater, if you guys are just joining in and you guys are support everything the BLW world, make sure you smash the like button. Before I actually jump into it, I just want to clarify something. I'm getting complaints, well, not complaints, just one or two people who are saying that we are scamming people on the BLW signals group because they're not activating the automatic payments and we charge them, and they're like, whoa, they're stealing our money. No, it's not that we're stealing their money. You should know that at the end, in the beginning of the trade, hold on, because I think, did I lose a signal in here? No, this one. Okay. So basically what happened is that you have to activate you have to inactivate the recurring payments, because basically we activate it so that we can help you, so that you don't have to be paying over and over every single month, right? But these people say that they deactivated and we still charging them. Of course, they don't have any proof. And no, our system is automatic. And if you don't want to continue, you just need to uncheck their recurring payments, and that's it. You're not going to be part of the group. We're not going to talk about it that much because it's just one hater. When I asked for proof in the Facebook group, that person left the group. Probably he's here giving dislikes. Because yesterday, in fact, if you noticed, I posted a video about how do they trade, how to do day trading while still have a full-time job, and he had 100% of likes, but then after this person complained, he started to get dislikes. That's no problem. So yeah, the application, it should be available worldwide. Yeah, it is going to be available worldwide. No worries. It's not going to be limited to any country whatsoever. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the application just right now. Okay, we have a new hater. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and talk about it. How does it work? Look, the application is going to give you the alert, but it's not instant trading, which means you don't really need to enter instantly in regards to the actual signal. What you need to do is just enter at the level that the trade started, or wait for it to drop or jump a little bit depending on the direction so that you can get a better result. But let's go ahead and do some back testing in this strategy right now. We're going to start with USD/JPY. And we're going to try to do a back testing in the last few signals. So you need to see the moment that the trade started and see how many pips above or below actually got, depending on the direction of the prediction. Here we have a bad signal. Now, we had some 3-ball news this morning, so this might be an indication, and it's not 100% in the money, okay? But I do know that there's a bunch of pips that you're gonna make in profit by following just this indicator. This is what I've been doing. I just follow the indicator and I've been making money with the IC markets. It's pretty damn simple, right? So this is what we are going to use. Leadoff asks, Christian, is this a scam or not? Yeah, I would be live if it was a scam. Okay, can someone answer his question? Now let's take a look at this signal right here. I think I can have some tools in this thing. Let me see though. Color source, media source. No, I don't think I can. I'm using OBS, by the way. So I thought I might have some, pencil or whatever to actually draw. I don't think I do. Okay, so take a look at this signal and let me know if you see the signal over here on the arrow. Take a look at where it started. And take a look all the way that it went up. We're looking at that. It started around 106.625 and it closed at 825. So that means that it's around 18 pips pretty easily, right? Pretty easily. Now, of course, this is a very good trade, right? It was very simple. It go all the way straight to the point. Now, let's take a look at this one right here. It's a sell option, right? It opened right here. And then take a look at the pips. It started at 700. It went all the way to 425. That's almost 30 pips in profit, just like that, easily. Now, this is an example of one that it went on the wrong direction, right? If you notice, it dropped all the way over here. It started, if you enter at the beginning of the trade, it started like around 650, and it went back all the way to almost 575. So if you notice in this one right here, even though it dropped that much, it still jumped all the way over here. So this might be one of those trades where it was not a win or not a lose. Now, here, if you notice, we have a trading option. I'm going to enter in this trading option because I don't want to keep this transmission with no trade. So I'm going to enter. If you're going to enter, make sure you either do it on demo or invest very, very low. I'm going to invest around $6 in it. I'm doing a USD JPY, and I'm going to explain you why I'm actually entered this trade right here. I just enter in USD JPY for a buy. And the reason why I'm actually entering right now, this over here tells me that this was a buy option, right? But if you notice, this candlestick already dropped a lot, right? So we are guessing, or we are assuming, or we are expecting that this is the starting point of the candle. So the trade or the pair should end at least a little bit above this area right here. Now, since we enter below, we should have some really good winning opportunities. Now, again, it's not 100% in the money, but take a look at the last trade. This was a sell option that started up right here, and it dropped all the way over here. Now, is everybody following? The reason why I want you guys to have it clear, and let's take a look. Right now, I'm already making some profit, but it's just a few cents. And now, here's one thing, though, that I want you guys to realize in regards to this indicator. Now, even though the indicator is not 100% in the money, there are two advantages of it. We are not seeing the signal. Do you see the arrows? If not, try to increase your quality of the video to 1080p. Cool. So take a look at the trades itself and notice that like 90% of the predictions are doing good. But here's one thing though. If you trade binary options, you probably don't know about this, but you need to be patient, okay? And I'm not saying that you don't know about this because it's something bad, but it's because with binary options, we have an expiry time, right? With Forex, we don't have an expiry time. So as the trade could take 1 day long, it could take 15 minutes. Does that make sense? But let's go ahead and take a look at this trade, for example. Look at where it started. It started at 697 and it ended up at, let me see if I can get the information here, at 425. So it started at 697, 425. That's almost 20 pips. This one right here, easy money. If we take a look at the latest trades, take a look at this one right here. Take a look at this drop. Now this one, even though it wasn't in the money, you didn't lose that much money either, right? Take a look at this one. Take a look at how many pips it jumped. Take a look at this one. How many pips it dropped, right? So the point of this application is that you can make a few bucks in one trade, or you can lose a few bucks in one trade, but you can recover a lot of money in a couple of other trades. Does that make sense? That's the beauty of Forex, okay? Right now, for example, I'm actually losing money. I'm actually going to set up a stop loss and a take profit at 25 pips. This is the cool thing about this broker, by the way. I love it. I'm going to actually set it up at 35 pips. No, 25 pips is good. There you go. So this is 25 pips and this is the stop loss, right? So I'm setting up over there. Obviously, the levels are too high. I usually go with 10, 15 pips and that's it, or 20 pips at the most. But yeah, this is how you set up the stop loss and the take profit. Right now my balance is $312, and now it's dropping, but we are confident that eventually the pair is going to start going up. If it doesn't, we're going to lose a trade, but that's it. We have some other big opportunities to actually start making money. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? We're going to do a back testing on a different pair right now. But let me know if it's making sense. If you're enjoying this live streaming, make sure you smash the like button, support the YouTube channel, and go to my Instagram account. In fact, you know what? I'm actually going to go over here in my Instagram account and see if someone is following me live. Only one follow right now live. So you should be following me right now. We are 2,438 subs. Can you see it? Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. We having a good time in there as well. I share some good tips. Yeah, and let me know if you guys have questions. We're gonna go through some Q&A. Eventually, in this specific streaming, what I'm going to do as well is that I'm going to just take off my camera, put some background music because there are no signals coming in, but I want to answer some questions real quick in here so that we can learn as much as possible. But smash the like button before asking the question. We got new hater. Thank you for the likes. No, this is not automated system or anything. You need to place the trades manually, but that's something cool. Sir Chris AP, can someone trade with IC Market without using Mt4 Mt5? Yeah, in fact, I'm actually using ECN Trading, which is Z Trader. It's a different software similar to Mt4 Mt5. I really liked it, to be honest with you. That's why I'm using it. So yeah, you can use it and it's free. It's part of the software, and they do give you a demo account with this or Mt4 or Mt5. I think it's difficult making the app opening the trades automatically, no? Yeah, regulations. I don't even know how to do it, to be honest with you. How much will it cost? I'm not going to reveal the price yet because I'm still doing some tweaks. And this is going to be a master class as well. This is not just going to be the application. This is going to be including a training with live webinars with me so that you understand exactly how it works. And we're going to go step by step. We're going to have some live trading sessions. We're going to make money together until you're free to, go on your own. 3 admins who share Forex signals during the day. Yeah. I'm just joining the academy, starting first lesson. Follow your videos on YouTube and the C of the so-called teacher. Your energy and passion just attract me. And what about the 2-minute strategy app? Thank you very much for the feedback. I really appreciate it. I love teaching. So it's probably it. Chris, normally how much is your profit and stop loss setting? I usually go with 15 to 25 pips. 15 to 25 pips. That's basically where I continue. And I set up the same stop loss and the take profit. 15 to 25 pips. I have followed you on Instagram. Awesome. Thank you. New follower. What is the app? Is the 2-minute strategy app used at Forex too? No, this is a new Forex application specifically called BLWFX tool. I'm working on it. Can you make a video on the 2-minute strategy updated version during lockdown? I will. No worries. Put 50 MA on the chart so that we can see the trend. Hey, you talking about the 2-minute strategy app right now? No, take a look at the title of the video. Come on, people. BLW can take more admins providing only Forex signals. If this goes well, maybe I will just go ahead and post Forex signals as well, Look at Lidov Bologna is a hater. He says, I think I've become more stupid listening to this scammer. Beginners, be aware. I don't know what you're doing here, man. But if you're sad because you're not making money, you probably should be doing something else in the lockdown than being in my streaming. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to tell the price yet. He says, He's not teaching anything, just promoting this. I can't say it because of YouTube policies, but he's kind of dumb. I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry. I think you're talking about a different language. DVL. Christian, is this IC Market web trading platform? They don't have a web trading platform, unfortunately. He's losing. I think Leo Duff wins 100% of the trades. It's pretty awesome. I'm actually just gonna silent him because otherwise he's just gonna distract us, you know. But I do wish you the best on your life, Leo Duff. Lee Duff. I don't know what's your name. Okay. Yeah, he's a loser. So bad. Too bad for him. I'm sure we're going to get more dislikes right now from him. But I'm actually really excited. We're about to reach 34,000 subscribers probably today or tomorrow. So that's actually awesome. Yeah, it's a new Forex application. We should have started earlier. The reason why I didn't start earlier is because there was a 3-ball news at 16:30 GMT, I think, on Euro 3-ball news, which are, by the way, not bulls anymore. They're stars. And CAD also had 3-ball news, so that's the reason why I didn't start earlier. So yeah. Hi Christian, have you heard Autotrade? Autotrade is really good. I really liked it, but I think they're limited to several countries. If you're in the United States, by the way, and you want to trade Forex, you guys can use forex.com. Is it good for swing trading? Maybe. I haven't tested it, and that's the reason why I haven't really shared it to the public, because it's still doing some testing. When it comes to scalping, and day trading is doing really good. With swing trading, I just need to check out first. Okay. Well, thank you for the donation, David Guda. What time do you recommend trade Forex? The same like binary, and what about leverage? I use leverage 120. And I think that's more than enough. If you use 100, you're going to be risking too much. And you need to be a kind of an expert on Forex in order to understand that, like everything in regards to leverage. But just stick to 120. I think is more than enough. Or 125 actually is what I have with IC markets. Bro, is it good for swing trading? Yeah, same question. I already answered. Is the app more for scalping? Again, I haven't traded on swing trading, but it is good for day trading and for scalping. What time to recommend trade Forex? The same like binary options? No. Time, it doesn't really matter. With Forex, it doesn't really matter. You're looking at a lot more volatility in Forex, so it doesn't really matter as long as you avoid 3-ball news. That's it. At least avoid 3-ball news on the pair that you're going to be trading with, and the one that can affect the other one. For example, euro always affects dollar. So I'm sorry. Chris, thanks for this week's results, but the binary is not really clear. I wanted to check because I wrote down so I compare my results. Thank you. What do you mean with you mean in the group? What difference between raw spread and standard account in IC markets? Not sure about your question. I didn't get that option when I opened the account. We want more Forex signal providers. We will have in the future. I got a way better strategy than this. Go ahead and use it and make some money. If you're trying to sell something, I'm going to block you right now. So just be careful. But if you just trade on your own, go ahead and do it. No worries. Leverage is what gives you the option as to what your lot size is actually going to cost you. So for example, with my lot size, if you have 100, one lot size means 100,000 in the currency that you're trading with. Meaning USD JPY, which is the first currency, is the what the value is all about. So right now, if you notice, I enter with 0.2 lots, that's $2,000. If I enter with one lot, that means that I will trade with $100,000 value on this spread. It gets a better, it's a little bit harder explanation than this, right? Now I'm not gonna be able to explain it in one, but I do recommend you one training from Adam Koo. I think it's called Forex for beginners. Go to YouTube and look it up. I don't care if it's not on my YouTube channel and I'm sending traffic to a different YouTube channel. Yeah, when it comes to Forex, the accuracy doesn't matter. It matters the pips, okay? What time do you recommend binary options? Anytime, as long as you avoid 3-ball news. Best free algorithm trading software for signals. You can get my BLW Turbo Signal Alert or the BLW Signal Alert. You can get it at BLW Trading Academy. Okay, Callistus is promoting something. So I'm just gonna silent you. And if you sell something, if people can report this user, you guys can do it. I don't allow any type of promotions. Yeah, I'm waiting for a signal. I love the 2-minute strategy on 5-minute time frame. Looking forward to using this strategy app. Awesome. Copizor is still profitable. I haven't used it anymore. I really don't have the time. Yeah, stop commenting. Can we have a mobile version of this application on Mt4? Yes, you can. In fact, it's actually going to be on Mt5. But yeah, you can have it. I actually made a video as to how to connect it with your Mt5, the signals. Not all signals, but also the signals. Take a look. I just got my last signal in here. Yeah. So yeah. This one is going in the wrong direction. So probably we're going to lose this trade. I'm not going to close it manually because it might still jump, because take a look at the resistance at the support line in here. And we are showing the strategy. So we're looking for a new one. We're looking for a new signal. We're waiting for a new signal. How can you trade in Romania binary options? I think you can only do it with a non-regulated broker. So yeah, this live is going to be available. Hey, by the way, if you're joining this live, make sure you smash the like button to support the YouTube channel. Would be really helpful. And right now, I think since it's been 30 minutes, I'm just gonna put some music on and we're gonna wait for the signals to come. And once the signal comes, then I'm going to activate the trade in the camera. Thank you, Bro Bull. Okay. Yeah, Forex signals. Yes, there are Forex signals in the BLW signals group. I don't like Forex and IQ option, to be honest with you. The spreads are not good. So yeah. With Binbot Pro this week, I haven't done good. I'm going to share a video tomorrow, in fact. Have a leverage option, just 133. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Go ahead and do it. As long as it's not 100, you're good. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to put some background music because, again, we need to wait for signals. This is going to be a long streaming. I told you about it. So right now we have nothing to do but just wait for a new signal. Okay? Nazran, of course I can say your name. How you doing? Vantage FX, a good broker. Not sure, I haven't heard of it, but right now, like I said, I'm gonna put some background music and we're gonna wait for a signal. Smash the like button and I'll be right back with you. Ho, take a look at this beauty right here. I actually got the message from my phone. Check it out. Take profit. And even though I didn't make that much money, it just shows the accuracy of this. Yeah. Where is it? So let me see. Today, we made $7. That's not bad at all. It's a good profit, right? You guys are still here with me. Very few people watching. Some people just like, and I'm not judging or anything, right? But they want to have kind of more trades placed during the day. So probably that's the reason why they're leaving. It's fine. It doesn't really matter. It's okay. But yeah. Oh, KZ. Oh, Cascade. Did you place the trade with USD JPY? Awesome, man. Did anybody else place the trade with USD JPY? We just made 25 pips in profit, which is cool. Hey. You did. Awesome, man. Awesome. So yeah, right now what we're gonna do, I don't know why it was this jump, to be honest with you. It's kind of crazy though, because if you notice, there are no 3-ball news like really affecting anything right now. But yeah, it's cool. I mean, at least we ended up making some money. 25 pips is not bad at all. And right now, what we are going to do is just wait for a new trade. I don't want to you $100. That's awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, don't get it wrong. It doesn't mean that the app recognized the spike, all right? It's not. I'm not selling you dreams or anything. I don't know what happened with the pair, but it just was a huge jump. But usually the trades are like, for example, in USD CAD, right? I mean, they go slowly giving you profit, but they do give you profit. But don't think that it's always going to be just predicting spikes. Awesome. Cascade. How much is that app? It's still not for sale. How much would you pay for it? What pairs would you recommend using the 2-minute strategy app right now? Right now, I'm not looking at the 2-minute app or the 2-minute strategy, so I wouldn't really know. But always go with Euro USD, USD JPY, and the 2-minute strategy. The JPY pairs are really good, such as Euro JPY, USD JPY, AUD JPY, CAD JPY. So go with them and look for the trends. Okay, so like I said, right now I'm actually just going to keep on getting the music. If we don't get any other signal within 1 hour, which I don't think so, but it could be possible because these are 15-minute trades, 50-minute candles, then we're going to stop the recording right now. We still made already profit, so we're good to go. But just so that you guys know, all right, this is not one of those streamings where we're always talking and having a conversation. Instead, I'm trying to show you how the application works. So you should definitely understand that. It's fine if you don't want to be in the streaming. It's going to be a recorded version. So then maybe you can come back and see what the results were at the end. It's up to you. But I do appreciate if you can smash the like button before you go in out of this live streaming. Or if you're watching this in the replay, make sure you smash the like button. So right now, I'm just going to put in the music again. I hope you're enjoying the music as well. Well, good luck. Not really good luck entirely, because I mean the signal was going at that prediction, but it just made us profit really faster. That's basically what's happened, right? Yes, right now we're just using 5-minute time, 15-minute time frame. So I'm gonna put in the music right now. you guys will stop looking at me right now, and yeah, I'll see you in just a little bit once we get a signal. All right, I'm gonna explain you exactly why I'm not gonna take this trade. This is the pair, if you notice, but we're looking at the same weird movement that we saw on USD/JPY. So I'm not gonna take that trade, okay? So you shouldn't take it either, because it kind of looks like it's more high volatility than actual predictions, okay? So I'm not gonna take this trade. Is that clear? Okay, do you guys understand why I'm not going to take that trade? Even though it gave me the alert, I'm not going to, because it doesn't seem normal. It's not a normal movement. So I'm not going to take it. I'm going to continue waiting for a new opportunity. Okay, if you guys want to give it a try on demo, you can do so, but I don't recommend it. Okay. I just found this music on the YouTube playlist. I don't know how to find it, but it's a YouTube playlist with no copyrights that you can download any music you want. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna keep on waiting. All right. I think we got a new signal, huh? AUD USD buy. Where's the USD? There you go. This one right here. So we're going to go to our broker, AUD USD and AUD USD. We have a buy option and I'm going to purchase only, let me see, 3. Yeah. So I'm gonna enter just right now. Hopefully you guys are entering with me. If you want to, of course. If not, you guys can do demo. You guys can, I'm gonna put 25 pips. 25 pips. Are you guys still with me? We might close this trade manually. We might not wait until it hits the SR, the take profit. So, but let me know if you guys are still with me. Some people are like, hey, what is this streaming right? Where's Christian? I'm right here. There's only 44 people watching this right now. Even if we make a few bucks, like $5, we're good to go. How much did we make in the previous trade? 7. So yeah, look, I'm actually having a target on a weekly basis of a 20% increase. So basically, it means a 5% increase on every single day, even 4 if I trade on Fridays, which, by the way, with this strategy, I do trade on Fridays. So that means that 20% out of $300, let's see, out of 310, 20%, it's $62 pretty much in 5 days. We're talking about $12 per day. So that's what I'm targeting right now, $12 per day during this week. Yesterday I made some good profits. Today I made some good profits. So basically, as long as I'm at $62, I can just stop during the week. And let's take a look. Since Monday, I have made $27. So we're in the middle. But I only traded yesterday, so that's the reason why. We're missing what, like $35 or something like that? So yeah. Another person promoting sit-in trades. It's incredible, man. You know what the problem is, though, is that I'm actually doubting about sit-in. And I'm thinking, I don't know, that he probably wants to go somewhere else. And this is all because of this people, right? This sit trade. It's crazy, man. So we're looking at a good jump right now, but I'm pretty sure it's going to jump a little more. So I'm just going to give it some time, all right? I don't want to. In fact, you know what? I'm going to change it to 10 pips. Let's say 15 pips. Would say even 12 pips. It's fine. There you go. So I think this take profit is going to be touched at any point. But yeah. People, be careful with the people who are creating this applications, this accounts for sit-in, okay? I don't want to, you know. I'm sending a picture right now to sit-in. Too bad, you know. Don't get the negative vibe or anything. I'm just telling sit-in that someone is actually using his name to, well, it's not like he's promoting himself, hopefully, but someone is like trying to say that BLW doesn't work and that sit-in does Academy works, which I'm okay with. I mean, if you ask me if you should take the Academy from sit-in, I would say, yeah, go ahead. He's a really good trader. But I mean, like, I don't know. Yeah, they would hope that they would make money, by creating fake accounts, but no. Should we close it here? I think it would jump just a little more. I'm gonna give it a few minutes. If it hits $3, I can even stop it. I don't care. But who took this signal with me? The AUD USD. Yeah, Euro USD is looking good, but it's kind of weird. So that's the reason why I didn't take it. Walid Qatar. What is that? And I'm 100% sure that later on there's going to be a new account called Sid yes, BLW don't, or whatever. Hopefully we have more trades to place. It would be really fun if we could place at least 4 trades. Tarek, I'm sorry I didn't see your questions before. Christian, can your app work on MT4 as well? Only on MT5. But there's a huge benefit of having MT5 is that you don't really need a broker. You can have it on your phone for free. And you can have it on your computer for free as well without a broker, If you're just joining in this streaming, make sure you smash the like button. Smash it. Press it hard. How many pips? On which one? On this one, I just entered for 15 pips and take profit. 12 pips, actually. 12 pips and take profit. So if you want to set it up for the same amount of pips, you're good to go. You can do it. There's one thing that has me a little bit worried, though, is this like support line over here, this resistance line right here. Let's just hope for the best. Okay. If you guys are scalping, you probably already made like 10 pips in profit or something like that. Okay, you took it as well. Awesome. Awesome. So right now, this doesn't have an expiry time. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to put in some music, right? Because you guys are enjoying it. And I'll be back once I have a new signal or something else happens. Right here is the trade, the signal. So you can check it out. Go over here on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. You guys will be part of my day-to-day activities. So right now I'm just going to pause. Well, not pause. I'm just going to hide my camera and hide my audio and put in some music. I'll be back when I see another signal. Let me know if you take the profits. Let me know in the live chat if you take your profits earlier, and I'll be watching you. All right, so we lost this one right here, which is what, AUD USD. We just hit the stop loss right now over here, and we lost $12. So we're gonna wait for the next one. You can win them all. It's completely normal, but we gotta move on. There are no news right now going on, so it shouldn't really affect that much of the market. Yeah, the market are kind of weird today, but it shouldn't be that bad. So we just lost one. We have one more hour left to go. Okay, I set up, I actually planned this streaming to be 3 hours. Right now we've been 2 hours in this streaming, so we have 1 more hour left. Hopefully we have 1 or 2 more trades today in order to make some more profits, and I'm pretty sure we will. In the end, what we're looking at is to see whether this application is working and how is it working, right? If you guys set up the same stop loss at 25 pips, you hit the stop loss right now as well, probably. I don't know if it's going to jump though, because it looks kind of weird, but we're going to wait for a brand new trading signal. So I'm just going to put the music on again, and we're going to keep on going. Let's do it. All right, people. So look, welcome for the ones that hadn't seen me today. I don't think there are going to be more signals within the next 20 minutes, all right? Because usually signals come within a 15-minute time frame. And there are no signals right now. The last signal that we took was this one. And unfortunately went on the opposite direction. You guys can see that it's a huge breakthrough. This one might be dropping, might continue to drop according to the moving averages. It looks like a downtrend. I don't know. But right now we're not going to have enough time to actually place a new trade. So I'm going to finish the streaming right now, but here's the deal. I'm going to continue making these sessions, hopefully once a week at least. So make sure you stay tuned for next week. I'm going to have another one most likely on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. I'm not going to have it on Monday or Friday. So make sure you actually are tuned for this new streamings that I'm going to be doing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it really much. Hopefully you guys are ready for this new BLW FX tool that is going to be available. And more importantly, hopefully you guys learned something today. So thank you for being in this live streaming. Thank you for being part of it. Make sure you're following me on Instagram in order to be updated about new things coming in. We'll see you tonight with the video as usual on the YouTube channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, everyone.